Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to make a reel on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a reel on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and after that guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see there is the plus icon available for us in this interface. Tap on that plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen, and over here guys you will be on the reel section over there here directly, or you can go to your live sections, your story sections, your post sections. You can see there are a lot of things available for us. Let's go to the reel section, and from over here guys you can either choose a video to upload if you have shooted one from your phone. You can choose your drafts, your templates, and many things, but we will be just making a reel by shooting it from the camera. So let's tap on the camera, and over here let's make a reel. But before that, you can try out all of these effects available for us. You can see there are the music effects, green screen, add your something. Over here you can see guys there are some text, and over here you can see you can choose the timing, you can choose the speed, or you can choose the video layout type, and you can see the gesture control, timer. After doing all of this setup, just create your reel. I'll be just shooting a video of 3 seconds. And after doing that guys, let's tap on the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Let's pause this, and over here you will be able to do many things. Either you can see there the music, text, stickers, and the effects icon at the top of the screen. If you want to add some music to your reel, there are the controls of your voices. Let's pause this, and back you can enhance your voice. You can do a voiceover on your video. You can see the saved videos of yours. There are the sound effects if you are adding a music. And let's go back. Do make sure to check out these options at the top of the screen according to your need guys. At the bottom left corner of the screen guys, you can see there is the edit video option available for us. Tap on that, and this is the place where you will be doing the major edits on your reel. So you can see there is the edit button available at the bottom of the screen, where you can see there are a lot of options appearing for us. Let's go back. There are add audio, add text, clip up, add sticker, voiceover, volume, and filter. These options are available for you guys. Do make sure to check these out according to your reel and however you want to place it. And with that being done, the editing process being done, tap on the blue icon at the top right corner of the screen, and on the next interface, on this interface you will be able to publish your reel from over here. And this is how you make a reel on Instagram guys. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.